Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing what TikTok made me try. Basically like filling in my brows, right? So, and if you hear something in the background, it's the furnace. I know it's annoying. It annoys me too. Just don't let it though. Don't let it. But anyway, this video I'm gonna be trying something that I saw on TikTok. Basically it's like the henna brows, or like microblading in a way. Microblading is very expensive, so I ain't doing that just yet. But yeah, we're gonna try something else today, and it is this, right? So I've seen somebody on TikTok like putting on this like just for men brush on color, and it like created like their eyebrows looked filled in and stuff. And so when I do my makeup, I fill in my brows, and honestly sometimes that part can be the most like concentrated. Like sometimes your brows can stress you out, because if your brows don't look good with your makeup, you might as well just throw the whole look away, because it's no point. Like it's gonna look it's not gonna give like how you want it to give without the brows being done like good, on point. Okay, so, and I want to see if this kit can save me time without having to do that. Like, you know, I can just brush my brows and I'm good type thing. Or, you know, I can skip that whole step overall and just do my other makeup, my other steps in my makeup. And I'm saving money at the same time. This was not that expensive. I really don't remember how much this was. I think it was like maybe $6-8 from Walmart. So yeah, we trying this today. I got the real black color. I'm kind of nervous because I just hope my eyebrows don't be super duper black. And then like I'm not like, okay, so this is the thing, y'all, because my mom, she like loved my brows and she loved like the shape of them and everything, but I'm trying to wake up and just have my brows done. Okay, like just like your lash extensions, but the brows. Okay, we trying to level up beauty wise this year. Okay, we trying to level up. I'm trying to look like a baddie all year round, and there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So we just gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out, and I just hope and pray that this stuff come out right, and it don't make my eyebrows look too dark, because that can happen. But I'm gonna give me some tools. I'm gonna get like a little eyebrow brush. So, like, I'm not trying to pluck my brows either. I don't get my brows done. I don't get my brows plucked. I never got my brows waxed. Nothing like that. I really just fill in my brows and clean them up, and they be on point when I do my makeup. I think I'm gonna just shape it a little bit how I want to shape it, like how I normally do my brows. I'm gonna shape it with something. I'm gonna try to outline my brows so that I don't go over that line, and I'm gonna fill it in. That's the plan, and I hope it works. So be right back. I'm gonna get my stuff, and yeah, we're gonna get started. Okay, my braids in the way, so we're gonna have to put these up. Book with my mommy. She does knotless braids. So yeah, book with her. As you can see, they're fire. I got the knotless braids with the little crinklies at the end, and my brows are already like kind of thick, as you can see, like they are. So honestly, I really don't need a lot to fill them in. And when I shape them up, when I shape my brows up and stuff, like it really don't take a lot type thing. Like, but I feel like I know my personal shape that I like on my face, and that's another reason why I'm super scared to let somebody else like wax and all this other stuff. Next thing you know, my whole shape out of whack, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, so anyway, so I got this little elf what's it, Insta Lift brow pencil, but I'm only gonna use the brush part of it. And then I got some brushes to like clean up under the brows, just to make sure I'm getting the shape that I want. I did grab this eyeliner because I want to make sure I got the shape that I want. Like I don't want, you know what I'm saying, it's a certain way, it's a certain shape that I like. And yeah, and I got some Q-tips just to like help me clean up some stuff. So we're gonna start with, first I'm gonna just outline my brows just to make sure I'm getting the shape that I want. I'm gonna speed through this part. Okay, I know I look crazy, but y'all, I am nervous. What if this don't come out how I think? Like, I'm gonna be so upset. Normally I clean up my brows with concealer, not with the eyebrow pencil. So I'm just, and then I normally clean up my brows after I didn't already filled them in. So like, I really don't. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to see something right. Yeah. So it comes with this like brush, and then it comes with the Just for Men color developer, and it comes with the color base. And you want to mix like an even amount of both on the tray. So let's just start with that. Ooh, it's like dark. Okay. Should I have shaken this up or something? Like squeeze it around and stuff, you know what I mean? I'm about to shake it up like that. So I ain't gonna add too much. I'm gonna just add like a little line. Boom. Let's start with that much. Should we do a little more? Let's do a little bit more. A little bit more. Like boom. So it look like that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm not adding a lot. Cause if this is the color base, that means it's about to get dark. And then I'm gonna use the back end of this little brush here and mix the two together. Y'all, this don't look that dark. All right, y'all, so I did one eyebrow off camera, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It actually kind of worked. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it really worked. I see why they say use gloves because, yeah. So basically, I followed the girl TikTok. So I left it on for like about 3 minutes, wiped off the front, and then I left the tail on her a little longer. But it's not super. It's dark, but it's not super dark like this is how dark when I fill in my brows. This is how dark they can get. So that's why I'm not super like, oh my gosh, oh look, this actually don't look bad. I just like cleaned it up a little bit more with my concealer brush, and y'all, it's straight giving without me having to do a lot. This is what I wanted to do. This is all I wanted to do. All I wanted to be able to do was clean up my brows just like how I did, and now my brows look on point already without having to do too much. Like, I didn't even fill it in or nothing with my makeup. I just cleaned up the brows. That's pretty much all I wanted to do, y'all. And it's straight giving. Like, I like it. It looks good to me. I don't have a high arch. That's what I do. Normally this is how I shape my brows, y'all. So this is the trick. So I like to like pull the eyebrow up. And that arch that you see right there, that's the arch I try to shape. I had to do one off camera because I was too nervous, y'all. Like, this was really like stressing me out. Can y'all see me? Barely. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta like lean down to my mirror because I'm kind of trying to concentrate. Yeah. All right, y'all. Safe to say that I like this one better than this one. I think I did this one like really skinny. I don't know, like I cleaned it up or whatever. It's giving, but I don't know. But I think it's super dark. Like, you can obviously tell it's super dark. So I think I'm gonna use my face wash to like clean it a little bit. Should I do it on camera? Why not? Let me do it on camera. So I'm gonna just take this little spoolie and I'm gonna just go on. All right, so this is the final results. Right now I just have like some concealer underneath and that's it. Would I recommend? I would, for those that are like brow experts. I never said I was a brow expert. But if you are a brow expert, so if you are a brow expert, then you should try this as an alternative to microblading. This one is a little darker than this one, and this one is a little thicker than this one. That'd be the only thing. I'm not gonna put no more on today because I don't want to keep messing it up and stuff. So I think I'm gonna just leave it alone today. But if I was to do one of these over, it would definitely be this one. I would do this one over. Look at what else. I feel like I would still have to do a little bit of some filling in with like some makeup. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I really like this one though. Like for I really like this one. Just a friendly reminder that brows are sisters, not twins. So if they don't look exactly alike, it's okay. So would I recommend? I'm 50-50 type thing. Like I'm 50-50. Yeah, half of me want to recommend it and the other half of me like don't waste your money type thing. It's up to you. If you want to try it out, if you think you're a brow expert and you can like shape your brows with this little dot stuff on it fast, go for it. Don't get it in your eye. Don't get it in your eye. Because when I was cleaning my brows with my facial wash, like I think something got in my eye and it started like hurting like bad. I had to use some eye drops to like it feel better now. But before this, y'all, I was struggling. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. I was all over the place and I was out the frame too on some of the clips, so I'm sorry if you didn't see like what I was doing. I was trying to explain it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on the way because I do have some other things I'm trying to get into, and so I'm excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in another video. See you later. I'm so awkward, but yeah, see you later. Bye. I want to close this video out one more time. In the bathroom again. So yeah, I did my makeup today. These are my finished brows and everything. Baby hairs laid. Yes, okay. So anyway, so yeah, I definitely recommend the Just for Men beard tint or whatever for your brows because it saved me so much time doing my brows. I didn't even do a lot when I did fill it in a little bit more. I didn't even do a lot more. Saved me so much time, and I look put together in under some minutes with just lashes. Like literally, I don't even have a full face on today. So that's what's up. I still don't really like this one more than this one. I like this one more than this one, but it's okay because I feel like with time I can get better with like application and stuff. So yeah, if you ever want to like check it out and stuff and try it yourself, you definitely should. I don't think it'd be a waste of money at all. So now I'm gonna close the video up. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.